Currently in Santa Monica Pier for our layover. Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. For today's vlog, as you can see, wala ako sa Pinas. Which is good, I think. Charet. I'm currently in Hong Kong International Airport, and reason for this, guys, is because meron kaming stopover, and I believe you guys can see it nasa title that I would be traveling somewhere else, and that would be sa US. First one is flight from Manila to Hong Kong, and then from Hong Kong to LA, and then from LA to Austin, Texas. So I would be out of the country for almost a month, or actually, to be honest, month nga siya eh. So ayun. Currently, it's 9:30 and antayin lang namin mag-boarding ng pa-LAX, which is mamayang 12:40ish or 12 something yung flight namin. So ayan, and it's so nice here guys. I've been here sa Hong Kong before, pero medyo matagal na kasi. I think it's more like 10 plus years ago yung huling punta ko dito. So medyo bata pa ako nun. And yeah. Hash. Grabe, nice. Hindi ako makapaniwala na dito na ako. So it's 1:17 PM guys. Pero sobrang lamig kasi ng hangin. So parang
we don't mind. Pero ito na nga, iitim na naman na. Gantong-ganto yun sa Korea. Yeah, ganyan. Init, tapos kalapig lahat. Ayan guys, nag-iikot lang kami dito and yeah, puro games yung yeah, puro games and then kain kami maya-maya. Pero ang ganda, ang sarap ng feeling kasi mainit yung araw as you guys gets mainit yung araw pero yung hangin is very malamig. So imagine that, nasa beach ka, yung mind setting mo is that you're in a beach tapos malamig yung hangin. So ganun siya, mind blow. So, ayan, nag-iikot kami sa mall right now and medyo pagod na. Kasi it's just gonna be 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 hours stopover to. And then, yep, we're waiting pa sa mga gagawin namin today before we can go back sa airport. So hello guys, I'm back and currently it's 7 p.m. na and nandito pa rin kami sa Los Angeles. What's funny is dapat 5 p.m. pa lang nakaalis ako ng Los Angeles. Wait lang, okay na. Ayun, so 5 p.m. pa lang dapat nakaalis na kami ng Los Angeles. Dumating kami here siguro mga 10 p.m., 10 to 11 p.m. ganyan. And then since medyo mahaba na yung initial layover namin as is, we opted to go out sa Los Angeles, syempre. We opted to go out para makita yung Santa Monica Pier since that's the nearest tourist spot that we can actually go to. Pinlano din namin sana pumunta ng Hollywood Hall of Fame. However, parang nung nagtanong ako sa taxi driver namin, parang it's gonna be risky daw if we try to push it pa kasi traffic ngayon Friday and wag na daw namin i-risk. So ang suggestion niya, mag Santa Monica Pier na lang kami and then come back on different day or different time to visit Hollywood kasi parang yeah, it really needs time if magvi-visit ka sa Hollywood Walk of Fame kasi marami daw makikita doon. And then as you guys can see, ang sobrang liwanag pa. 7 p.m. na. 7 p.m. na. Tinan niyo yung yeah. So, sobrang tirik pa ng araw and 7 p.m. Usually, naririnig ko na yung mga ganyang kwento sa mga relatives ko that go to the US, somewhere na nagpapalit ng time kapag ka nag-change ng daylight saving time. And ayun, it's just too weird to experience it firsthand na parang 7 p.m. na. Wait lang, may voice over. Ayun, so as I was saying, yun nga, parang it's just very weird to experience it firsthand na ang liwanag pa tapos yung oras, PM na, like 7 p.m., 5 p.m. Akala ko kanina when I slept, 3 p.m. kasi nga sobrang tirik ng araw. Pero pag check ko ng phone ko and ng watch ko kanina, hala, 7 p.m. na. May PA na naman. Ayan, tapos na. So, yun lang naman yung mga gusto kong i-share for today's vlog or for today's video. Ayun, so siguro since 8 p.m. na kami makakaalis, dadating kami roughly 1 p.m., 2 p.m. So, tingnan natin kung may gana pa akong mag-vlog. Kasi guys, umalis kami ng Manila ng May 22nd ng 1 a.m. sa bahay. And then 5 a.m. yung flight ko. And then from there, we went to Hong Kong. And then from Hong Kong to here. And then from LA to Austin. So I feel like more than
24 hours na yung travel time ko. That's why I'm really tired. I wanna get shower. I wanna get a proper sleep. So, medyo pagod na. So, let's see. Yan lang naman and I'll see you guys there.
Noite cai sobre o rio.
Dali.
Acendem no
Ate.
céu. Bossa nova ecoa, corações se rendem ao véu.
So, hi guys, good morning. It's already 4:30 p.m. sa Philippines, but it's currently 3:30 a.m. dito sa Round Rock, Texas. Yeah, finally we made it here after like almost 2 days ng biyahe. So, this is gonna be my room. Siguro sa ibang araw ko na siya ipapakita sa inyo. Ayusin ko muna yung mga stuff ko kasi I have a lot of things to unpack. So, yeah, that's it. We were able to eat kanina pagdating. My auntie just cooked a sisig and beef bulgogi for us. So ayun, I'll just go ahead and unpack, and then after that, I'll be heading to the bed. The bed! Ayun. Anyways, thank you guys.